This week in U.S. immigration news, we are going to cover new proof of asylee status from court, USCIS updates policy on timeframes for paper-based filings and responses ending on Saturdays, Sundays, or federal holidays. Has your niece or nephew been abused or abandoned by their biological parent? USCIS will create and provide documented evidence of their status to certain new asylees and lawful permanent residents upon our receiving notification that an immigration judge or the Board of Immigration Appeals has granted status. Individuals granted asylum and lawful permanent resident status are still instructed and encouraged to contact the USCIS Contact Center to request their proof of status because USCIS may not be notified in every case. Field offices may now be able to provide this documentation by mail instead of having asylees and lawful permanent residents schedule an in-person appointment, eliminating an unnecessary burden to an individual who has been granted their status by an immigration judge or the BIA. USCIS began this effort in August 2022 by mailing Form I-94, Arrival Departure Record, with asylee stamps to certain individuals who have been granted asylum by an immigration judge or the BIA. USCIS has also been issuing permanent resident cards, also known as green cards, to some lawful permanent residents when we are notified that the immigration judge or BIA has granted adjustment of status. Have you received a request for evidence or a notice of intent to deny? USCIS has updated policy manual to address situations when the last day to file a benefit request or respond to a USCIS action falls on a Saturday, Sunday, or federal holiday. In these situations, USCIS will consider a filing or response submitted on paper timely if we receive it by the end of the next business day. While the receipt date for these cases will continue to reflect the date USCIS physically received the request, USCIS will consider the benefit request timely filed. If you are in the United States because you have been abused, abandoned or neglected by a parent, you may be eligible for Special Immigrant Juvenile Classification. If SIJ classification is granted, you may qualify for lawful permanent resident status in the future. The child must be under 18 to call us. Call Ting Law Group 720-740-4247.
Friends, show us some love and smash the like button. It doesn't cost you anything. If you have an immigration problem or need a second opinion because you cannot get a hold of your own lawyer, schedule a meeting with our team. Share information with our CARES team and they will help you get scheduled with our legal team. Now here's a secret code to unlock the free 15 minutes. Unlock the free 15 minutes.